In frost and cold where bracks did shiver, a fiery spell began to quiver. From molten depths and magic grand, gilded lava nails erupted, warming the land. Hey friends, welcome to Tips with a Twist. I'm Lisa, here with my best bud Brax, and today we're creating this fiery look with a glitter press and confetti encapsulation. I've already adhered the full cover tip to my natural nail and lightly filed off the shine. I then cleanse the tip with Young Nails Swipe to remove any oils and residue. Then I prime the tip with Young Nails Protein Bond to ensure superior adhesion. Once the protein bond is dry, apply 2 coats of Young Nails Manicure Scarlet 101 gel polish, curing in between each coat for 1 minute in an LED lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Use a detailer brush to paint close to the cuticle for a clean, precise line without getting gel on your skin. But if you do accidentally get some gel on your skin, no worries. Just wipe it off with a cleanup brush or an orange wood stick before curing. Today, I'm only using Young Nails products, which is one of my favorite brands. I'm not sponsored by them or affiliated in any way. I'm just a big fan, and they have great educational videos on their YouTube channel, so check them out if you want more in-depth tutorials. Now it's time for the glitter press using Young Nails glitter called the Lava. Use a cheap makeup brush or a fluffy brush to pick up the glitter and press it into the tacky dispersion layer of the gel polish. Now this is very important. Tip number 1. Tap once on the tacky layer to apply the glitter, then reload with more glitter and repeat. Avoid double tapping on the sticky layer as it can gunk up your brush and create clumps of glitter. Once the entire nail is covered with glitter, then you can firmly press it all down with the brush to ensure the glitter is lying flat against the nail. Gently sweep away excess glitter using a fan brush. Tip number 2. Flash cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp so the tacky layer holds the glitter in place before the next layer of product or top coat. Now you can stop here at the glitter press and apply your top coat, which is what I did for the pointer, middle, and pinky fingers. But for my accent nails, I apply Young Nails Synergy Gel Base over the glitter. While you can use any base gel, I prefer this one since I'll encapsulate the confetti with Synergy Gel Clear Sculptor, keeping the product line consistent. I combined 3 Young Nails confetti to create this mix. I used just a dash of the yellow called Lemonade Stand, a lot of the reddish confetti called Lobster, and a bit of the orange called Riptide Warning. Dump or place the confetti mix directly into the uncured base gel. I chose to just dump it onto the nail, move it around with a wood stick, ensuring the confetti lays flat against the nail, and then place individual pieces in the bare areas. To be more precise and deliberate with your confetti placement, you can dip the tip of a wood stick or a dotting tool in some of the base gel and use it to pick up individual pieces and place them on the nail. Once satisfied, cure everything in place for 1 minute in an LED lamp. Then encapsulate the confetti with Young Nails Synergy Gel Clear Sculptor in the Precision Applicator, which is the tube rather than the pot or jar. It makes the encapsulation process so much easier and quicker. Tip number 3. Concentrate most of the gel in the center of the nail as it will self-level and start to flow to the edges. Flip your thumb or whichever finger you're working on upside down for a few seconds to form a nice apex and prevent flooding the cuticles or free edge. Then use a gel brush to move the gel to the edges and anywhere that needs more product until fully encapsulated. Then check for air bubbles in the gel and pop them with a wood stick before curing for 1 minute in LED lamp. After curing, remove the tacky layer with Young Nails Swipe and a lint-free wipe. File down the bulk and refine the shape. You can use a hand file, but I personally prefer my Young Nails e-file and safety bit. It saves me a lot of time and effort. I also use the Young Nails dust extractor and wear a mask and glasses to protect myself from the dust. Tip number 4. Check the nail from all angles, from the sides and down the barrel, to determine if it needs more filing. You'll see where it's still kind of bulky and where to file, but be careful to not file too much. Otherwise, you may file into the confetti and take off some of the coating that's on it that gives it that color shifting effect. Brush off the dust, cleanse with Young Nails Swipe, and apply Young Nails Protein Bond. Then go in with the top coat. I use Young Nails Ultimate Finish Gel. Remember, you can use a detailer brush to get as close to the cuticle as possible without getting product on your skin. I then cure it for a full 2 minutes in an LED lamp for extra shine. Let me know in the comments what you think and if there's anything in particular you'd like to see next. If you simply want the look without the work, contact me for custom nail sets, as I'm happy to create a beautiful masterpiece for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.